welcome or welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a get ready with me for New Year's Eve 2017, which is tonight actually. And I did a very smoky, glowy, and shimmery makeup look, and I curled my hair with a 1-inch curling iron and just kind of ran my fingers through it and made my hair very fluffy, and I love it. And I'm definitely going to wear my hair like this more often. Also, it has been so long since I last filmed a beauty video, so I'm super excited to be back filming, and I'm so ready to show you guys more videos for the upcoming year. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, and if you want to get ready with me for New Year's Eve, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet already, and don't forget to turn on post notifications. Leave a comment down below telling me what kind of video you would like to see in 2018. And I hope you guys have a wonderful New Year's Eve and New Year's Day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!